JR Schleuger. We're out of Britt, Iowa. The truck, it's a 1984 Kenworth W900B model. Bought it off an auction for $9,000, and it was legit a $9,000 truck. Very bad shape. We ripped everything apart, redid everything out, all the wiring, the air lines. Did a ton of custom work on it. It's the original motor in it still the 855 Cummins. We just put new injectors in, new turbo on it. We ran the rack. Holds great oil pressure, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Same transmission, 13-speed. We put a Freightliner cutoff on it, 355 rears. Redid the whole interior. 2B is upholstery out of Seattle, Washington. Actually did the interior and the cab. The sleeper that was on here was actually a 36-inch coffin, and we stretched it so much that I actually wanted to put I actually had the sleeper sitting in the shed, so we put this one on here, and it had never been touched. We got it when we purchased another truck, so it actually had plastic on the bed, plastic on the floor, never been touched since '82, so it was kind of a perfect fit for this. It's a B model bunk. The funny deal with the paint scheme, actually, the sleeper was actually just like that. The way it was set up with the lines and stuff, it was like that, and I'm like, it's a cool scheme, I guess. So we went off of that, put our colors into it, and then we finished the stripes out on the front, how we wanted to do it. But we figured we'd kind of incorporate the old paint scheme with something a little newer. And when we did this truck, we actually pulled it in our shop, parked it there. It was painted there. All the custom work was there. Didn't outsource anything. Basically, all the work was done there. So all the custom parts on here are all built right in-house at our shop.